Welcome, creative crocheters! I'm Tagreed, and today I'm presenting you with an easy and simple crochet tutorial for gloves. I have medium weight yarn. You can use any medium yarn you have available with the appropriate hook. I have a 3mm hook. I'll start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 11. I will start from the second chain from the hook and work single crochets. So in the first row I have 10 single crochets. I'll start the second row. In the second row I will chain 1 and turn the work. The first stitch in the row will be a single crochet under both loops. From the second to the 9th stitch I will work single crochets in the back loop. The 10th stitch will be a regular single crochet, and I will continue to repeat the second row until I reach the circumference of the wrist. After reaching the circumference of the wrist, I will start to join the last row of single crochet with the first row of the chain. I will work a slip stitch in the front loop with the first loop of the chain to join them in this way. I'll start working single crochets on each single crochet row around the wrist in this way. I want to have an even number of single crochets at the end of the row. I've reached the beginning of the row again. I'll close with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of the row, and then I'll change the yarn to the second color. I'll start by closing with a slip stitch with the new color. Chain 1 and work the first stitch as a single crochet and the second stitch as a double crochet. I'll continue to work back and forth, single crochet and double crochet, until I reach the beginning of the row once again. I've reached the end of the row this way, and the last stitch will be a double crochet. I'll start by closing with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of the row, but I will close with the second color. I'll close with a slip stitch, chain 1, and turn the work, and go back on the work from the inside this way. I'll start to repeat again. The first stitch will be a single crochet, and the second stitch will be a double crochet, and so on, until I reach the end once again. I've reached the end of the row, and the last stitch is always a double crochet. I will close with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, also with the second color. I will close with a slip stitch, chain 1, and turn the work and repeat again. So it's only one row that is repeated, but I change the yarn color and the direction of the work each time. So once I work from the inside and once I work from the outside, now reached approximately the middle of the palm, just before the fingers. To create the opening for the thumb and separate it from the rest of the hand, I'll continue working my usual pattern, alternating between single and double crochet, until I have only 4 stitches left in the round. once I reach those last 4 stitches, I'm going to skip them. Instead of working into them, I'll chain 4, and then join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. This creates the thumb hole. From here I'll go back to working normally, maintaining the same stitch pattern and color sequence. And with that, I've finished my gloves. I hope you like them, and if you'd like to make them, it's very easy and simple. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you get all the new stuff, and if you make these gloves, share them with me on the Facebook group Crochet Creators Community.